I strongly recommend that to expand your training on harmonica, that you start playing another instrument too. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be a penny whistle, a flute, it could be a clarinet, a saxophone, a guitar, a piano, drums. What you find is that every time you face a new challenge with the new instrument, you're challenged to take what you already know and apply it. And my personal feeling of working with this guitar, which was actually given to me, it's 40 years old. It's just a simple Yamaha, but you can get these, used guitars for 150 bucks on eBay and get a pretty nice Yamaha. But I kind of feel like I'm a piece of taffy when I play a second instrument. It's like everything I know just kind of goes, and it expands like I'm a piece of taffy. And as I learn to play the guitar, I bring everything with me I had with harmonica. And of course, I played guitar before I played harmonica, but not the way I play it now. I understand music so much better, having worked on the book and working with Andrea Antonello Nacci and just all the life experiences in the last 4 or 5 years that have deepened my enjoyment and understanding of what the heck's going on. But so when I go back to playing chromatic harmonica, which I do every day, I bring everything I learned from guitar, and I bring everything that I, learned from harmonica to the guitar. So it's something where it goes back and forth. And so maybe you want to take a drum class, or maybe you want to get that second instrument. And you'll find you change by doing this. And you have more fun. And also it's nice because when you have 2 instruments that you can play, you can take a break from the one and go jump on the other. And you always have a choice. Am I going to practice guitar right now? Or am I going to practice chromatic harmonica? And it gives you options. But I'd say that that is something that can exponentially improve your enjoyment and your understanding of music as you try to step into that world of the stream of sound with another instrument.